Dear students, today we are reading about relation and function of class 12th exercise 1.2. Question number first, we reading the last previous video and now we have to start second question. Check the injective or surjectivity of the following function. Injectivity means 1 1 and surjectivity means on to. Now f n tends to n given by fx equal to x square. It n means natural number. Okay, fx equal to x square. When we putting the value x, replacing x equal to x1 and x equal to x2. Now taking x1 square, first part will be given by this, change into f of x1 equal to f of x2. Now x1 square equal to x2 square, square cancel out, x1 equal to x1. The f is 1 1, that is it is injective. Okay, second part, f is not onto because there is no pre-image in domain of f. Similarly, all part of second question we have to solve. Question number 3, prove that the greatest integer function f real number belongs to real number given by f of x is equal to greatest integer function x is neither 1 1 nor onto, where greatest integer function, this is the symbol of greatest integer function, donate the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, now question number 3, f real number belongs to real number given by fx equal to greatest integer function. When we putting f of x1 means 1.2 which is equal to 1 and f of 1.5 this is equal to 1. F is not 1 1 because all values are not equal. B part, all the images of x are belonging to its domain have integer as the images in codomain, but no function proper or improper belonging to codomain of f has any preimage in its domain. Okay, then f is not onto. Question number 4, so that the modulus function r belongs to r given that f of x equal to mod of x is neither 1 1 or no onto, where mod of x is x and x is positive or 0 and mod of x is minus x if x is negative. 4, f r belongs to r given by f of x equal to mod of x, f of minus 1 equal to mod of minus 1 we taking positive, f of 1 equal to mod of 1 equal to 1, then f is 1 1. No negative values belonging to codomain has any preimage in its domain, then f is not onto, hence f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Question number 5 we have, so that the signums function r belongs to r given by fx equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0. X belongs 0 to infinite and x belongs to minus infinite to 0 is neither 1 1 nor onto. Question number 5, when we putting the value of f of 1 equal to f of 2 that o equal to 1, f of x1 x2 equal to 1, x is greater than 0, f of x1 x2 it gives minus 1 when x is less than 0, then f is not 1 1, then so similarly f is not onto. Okay.